the other thing I've kind of learned over time is having a tangible ask. So it's not just like, how can you help me? It's like, hey, I'm looking for X, Y, and Z. Because I think people generally are good-hearted. It's just that they do want to, they want to be able to help it in an efficient way.
So what was your tangible ask? Just like, is there anyone else that I could speak with? Is that
yeah? So this one was no, because I always thought that was kind of a cop out, to be honest with you.
Okay.
Is there anyone else?
Yep.
So mine was very simple. Mine was just, I'd like career advice. I would talk to them about it. I'd say, look, this is what I'm looking to do. And then I'd say, I'm looking to be in investment banking. I have this experience. I've done this, that, the other. And then I wouldn't say they're going to talk to. It was a similar point. I would be like, are you guys interested in, are you guys looking for people? If so, who should I speak with? If not, could you just keep me on top of mind? Because again, there's a timing discrepancy, but here's where you could actually use that to your advantage. Like, the chances of you getting someone right when they're in the middle of looking for someone are very small. But if you can preempt it, as long as you're in their mind before they get, you know what I mean? Like, it doesn't have to be timed perfectly.